Hello guys, this is Dope Tech. Today I'm going to show how to install Android P launcher on any Android device. I am using the Note 8. It is running on Android 7.1.1. As you can see here, this is Android P launcher. As you can see here, there is a Google bar on the bottom and there is a date and the month which is going on shown on the top. By clicking on the Google, you will see the search bar. By long pressing on the home screen, you can access the settings. You can change at a glance settings. You can change calendar, upcoming flight, traffic information. You can change display Google app to off or on. You can on or off display app suggestions. You can see here about version is P. This is based on the Pixel launcher on the Android P version, which is released for the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. You can change the widgets on the home screen. As you can see here, by going into my device information, you can see here I am running on Android 7.1.1. On the side it is shown that you can run this launcher on Android 8.0, but my device is running 7.1.1. It is working fine, so it will also work fine on your Android device. I will give the link in the description below from where you can download it. By going to the site, you can see here it is written for Oreo device, but my device is running Nougat. It is working well and smooth, so you can also download it. You can see the screenshots here. By clicking on the link, you will redirect it to the site. Here is the download link. Click on this and your download will be started. By clicking on download, you can download it. So this was it guys. Thanks for watching.